Hello all of you. My name is Dibakar Swarnakar. I am a student of EIILM-Kolkata and my course is BBA Hotel and Hospitality, and we are presenting over here the dish which name is Saffron chicken with Barberry sauce.
So here we go. We have the marinated chicken. We have marinated this chicken with yogurt, salt, pepper, little bit of red chili powder and lemon juice. And we have all the vegetables, the colorful vegetables, the zucchini, the carrots, the capsicum, the green peas, whole peas, some zucchini roundels and some masalas. And here we have the Barberry where we'll make the sauce out of it. So here we start by roasting the chicken first. We'll put some garlic. We'll put some onion. Little more garlic in the marination. Here's the chicken. Another one. Put this on. Cover it and let it cook. Now we are going to prepare the sauce. Here we put some oil. This is the Barberry sauce. It has to be a little sweet as well as a little spicy, tangy. It has all the variation in the taste. It's very different from the Indian flavor. For making the Barberry sauce, we'll put some chopped ginger. The Barberries. More of lemon juice. Little bit of tomato sauce. Little bit of butter. Little bit of tomatoes. Bell peppers. See the chicken? If it is done, please flip it up like this. Flip the chicken. Take this. Barberry is having a wonderful flavor. A little bit of soy sauce to enhance the flavor. Now the chicken is ready. See? Flip it up. Just flip and see whether it. Here the Barberry sauce is also ready.
Our dish is ready. Please try it at home and let us know. Thank you.
Thank you.